Good day everyone. For today's video, it is the continuation of our lesson in which the different types of the delivery modalities. So when we say delivery modalities, um, it is between the teacher and the learners who are the geographically remote from each other to give an information. And we are done from the face-to-face and the blended learning. And again, um, face-to-face, it is the both teacher and learners are physically uh, physically present inside the classroom, while the blended learning, it is integrates digital technologies, especially in the online tools and the techniques. And there are six what we call this one, there are six models that under the blended learning, and these are face-to-face driver, uh, rotation model, flex model, um, online lab model, self-blended model, and lastly, it is the online driver model. So let's move on from the online learning. When we say online learning, it is an education that take place over the internet, and the student or a teacher are using a different types of apps for having any activities. And um, we experiencing this type because of this pandemic. And I know that this is a challenging type because of a poor internet, uh, money for load, and some of the students have no good quality of gadgets for online class. So the next is the distance learning. For me, it is the same from the online learning, which is the method of study where the teachers and the students do not meet inside and outside the classroom, but they are using an internet or the email or the mail and etc. And the distance learning uh, teaches the teaches time management, and students can choose when, where, and how they learn by selecting the time and place and the medium for their education. From the distance learning, there are common types that can we use. And the first is the video conferencing. When we say video conferencing, it is the live lesson. Then the second is the synchronous learning. Means it is often features video or the teleconferencing that connect teachers and the learners digitally. And third is the synchronous learning, meaning to say, instead of the lessons, the teacher are giving any activities or tasks with the deadlines. And the fourth is the open online schedule course. Means uh, the students is provided as a set of deadlines, but it is allowed to work at their own place, um, as long as they work turn in by the deadlines. And the fifth is the fixed time online courses, meaning to say, um, uh, it is the type of the asynchronous course that requires online users to all visit a specific virtual location at the set of time and the place. And There are two more, which is the computer-based distance education. Uh, Means it is the fixed time or a synchronous lesson on the computers, usually in the computer lab. And lastly, uh, hybrid learning. Uh, Hybrid learning is a type of an approach to education that combines the uh, online educational materials with traditional in-person classroom methods. Thank you.